Today, hundreds of print service providers around the world are building their businesses with Canon Sheetfed Inkjet. So, how did we get here? In 2008, we introduced the Jetstream, the first Canon digital inkjet web-fed production press, and in 2011, the ColorStream. Both proved the high potential of inkjet technology. They also revealed an opportunity. What if you could combine the productivity and cost efficiency of inkjet with the convenience and flexibility of printing on sheets? The answer was the start of something big. 2015. We launched the varioPRINT i300, the beginning of the sheet-fed inkjet era. It combined the high productivity and low running costs of inkjet with the versatility of sheets, creating profitable new opportunities for print providers. Since then, Canon innovations have helped drive the timeline forward. In 2016, we launched Color Grip and second-generation inks, enabling sharp, vibrant images on coated, uncoated, and structured surfaces. Then, in 2020, we launched the next generation, the Canon varioPRINT iX3200. With 1200 dpi imaging, innovative two-step drying, new inks, and a wider range of media support than the varioPRINT i300, print service providers could say yes to virtually any job. The varioPRINT iX3200 keeps shaping and redefining the production sheet-fed market. Together with the experienced Canon team, print service providers right-size their business and increase profits. In our Canon Global Research and Development sites, we continuously lead with innovative inkjet hardware and software technology based on market feedback. We help set new standards in quality and performance with our own in-house ink development and manufacturing. Our teams of Canon experts support customers with the expertise that makes inkjet work for production printing. Thousands of global field-based technical and professional service specialists for workflow automation, project management, color and media consulting. For customers ranging from small family-owned print businesses to global enterprises. Day in, day out with passion, dedication and expertise that help our customers to build their businesses. "2025. Together with our customers, we celebrate 10 years of sheet-fed inkjet printing. We move forward with varioPRINT iX3200 innovations, bag-in-a-box ink that supports our customers' sustainability initiatives, workflow to help increase their productivity, more media diversity, giving print providers and their end users a wider range of applications. The start of a new decade. And the sheet-fed inkjet journey continues with the announcement of the varioPRESS IV7, the ultimate B2 sheet-fed factory, with the varioPRINT iX1700 B3 press to expand our portfolio and the printing possibilities of our customers. As a leader in production inkjet printing, building globally for today and tomorrow with our customers, every sheet of the way. Celebrating 10 years of customer and Canon success.